Earlier this week, Dell announced that CEO Michael Dell and Silver Lake Partners will acquire the company in a $24.4 billion deal. I have the Street's James Rogers here. James, break down the terms of the deal for us.
Well, basically, desperate times call for desperate measures, and what's prompting this is that Dell is very much weighed down by what's happening in the PC market and competition from the likes of Apple. It wants to move into more lucrative areas like enterprise services, software, that type of thing. But to do that, it needs flexibility. And basically, it needs that flexibility by being away from the glare and the scrutiny of Wall Street. So that's what prompted this whole take-private deal. Michael Dell describes it as a new chapter for the company, and I think it is. It's something that's it's a bold move, but I think it's a necessary one.
And what is Microsoft's involvement in the deal?
Well, basically, Microsoft is helping finance the deal with a $2 billion loan. And, this has raised eyebrows, Microsoft's involvement. There are question marks of like, what's the impact of that going to have on other PC partners that it has, like HP? But I think it's interesting that Microsoft opted for a loan. Like, it helps it avoid a lot of antitrust issues, and also kind of will ease its path with other companies that it works in this space. And basically, I think Microsoft wants to bolster the PC market to the extent that it can, and also maybe keep Dell away from Google's Android operating system.
So what would you say is in it for Dell shareholders? Are they getting a good deal?
Well, it's interesting. Dell shareholder, under the terms of the deal, Dell shareholders will be getting $13.65 a share in cash. That's a 25% premium, and the consensus is that they're getting quite a rough deal. We've got a poll running on the site at the moment, and 87% of the respondents describe the premium as a joke. So, there's a bit of water to go under the bridge with this, I think. Maybe if some of the institutional investors that are involved in Dell get involved, then maybe we'll be seeing Michael Dell have a bit of a battle on his hands for this buyout.
All right, thanks so much, James. Stay tuned to The Street for more on Dell.